Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, or if you're celebrating a Friendsgiving like I am here. I wanted to show you these super easy and pretty inexpensive ways to make a beautiful centerpiece for your Thanksgiving. The first DIY project that I did was start to save empty bottles over the past couple weeks to month, and I soaked them in water for about an hour just to get the labels off. Some of the labels came off super easy, and others were a little bit more difficult. I found it easier to use a knife or any type of sharp object to get off the labels. And for the few stubborn bottles that I had, I actually went out and purchased Goo Gone. And that really was the magical trick to getting the residue off of all these bottles. I bought some super inexpensive white spray paint off of Amazon. And I went into my garage and I just sprayed all the bottles white, completely white. And actually I noticed after they dried, the next day I needed to do a second coat. So just be mindful of that. I had some liquid gold paint left over from my marble DIY table, which I'm obsessed with the pigmentation in this gold paint. And I thought that would be an awesome accent color for my Thanksgiving table. So I just went along, and you can use any type of reference photo for calligraphy, and I just decided to wing it, and I chose to write thanks. I thought that was short and cute for the table. I bought this 12-pack of mini white pumpkins off of Amazon for $15. I did notice, however, matching up to the bottles I just painted, they were off-white, so I spray painted those, and once they dried, I added that gold accent just to make them look like they weren't $15 off Amazon. The burlap runner was $8 off of Amazon, way cheaper than Joann's. I found the greenery at my local grocery store for $6 for that whole bunch. I added the bottles, the pumpkins, and then the velvet pumpkins I got from Target. They were $1 a piece. The plate sets were about $34 on Amazon, and they're plastic, but they looked very elegant. I hope you have an unbelievable holiday, and I hope that this gives you a little bit of inspiration. Enjoy it with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time.